In this video, we're going to show you how to upload your thesis or dissertation to Vireo. This is the graduate school's thesis and dissertation resource page. You can find resources for researching, writing, formatting, and uploading your document. When you're ready to upload, you'll go down to the Vireo Submission tab. Here you can access everything that you need to submit along with your thesis and dissertation. You can also access Vireo through the hyperlink ETD Vireo system or by using the Submit Here button below. A few things to note about Vireo is that it's a nationally used third-party system. If you run into any technology issues while using the site, please contact the graduate reader or graduate formatter. If you haven't accessed Vireo before, your login information is simply your TWU login information. Once you log in, click Start Your Submission, followed by Texas Women's University, followed by Graduate School. Always make sure you double-check which semester we are currently accepting submissions for. If the semester does not match your graduation semester and year, it's not time for you to upload yet. The first section is personal information. Once you submit to the graduate school, you're not able to change this information. You'll need to contact us at the graduate school to modify anything on your behalf that might be incorrect. A few reminders about the information to upload. College refers to the college in which your department falls under, not Texas Women's University. Additionally, you'll want to make sure that you select the correct style guide that you used within your document. It might be pretty easy to select the wrong one from the list, but just double check it before you upload. Although Vireo requires your phone number and address to be entered, the graduate school does not use this information within the review process. The license agreement section simply grants Texas Women's University permission to publish your document within the library's repository. It's important to note that you, as the author of the document, retain the copyright of your work. After you read through the license agreement, you'll select the box stating that you understand. The ProQuest Publications Agreement is essentially the same, except it specifies that the ProQuest database is allowed to publish your document within their thesis dissertation database. Again, this agreement specifies that you retain the copyright. Next is the information on your document. Again, you're not able to make changes to this information, so make sure you're entering it correctly. You'll notice that you're only able to select May, August, or December as your graduation semester. This is because these are the only months in which a student can graduate, and you're selecting your graduation semester rather than the month in which you completed the work. You can either type in or copy and paste your abstract. As a reminder, a thesis abstract should not exceed 150 words, and an abstract for a dissertation should not exceed 350 words. A lot of students get confused on what to enter for keywords and subjects. Keywords are phrases that someone might use to locate your thesis or dissertation within a search engine. For example, if I was writing on Edgar Allan Poe's use of language and rhetoric, my keywords might be rhetoric, language, and Poe. Your subjects might actually be similar to your keywords, but you can also expand things slightly to expand your search. For this example, my subjects might also include Gothic literature, rhetoric, and English. You'll also need to include the names and email addresses of your committee members. Make sure their email is spelled correctly, as this is how your committee chair receives notifications on your review status. The embargo selection is essentially a hold on your account. Your title and abstract will be visible in the library's repository, but users won't be able to access the full document for the length of time you select. Students apply an embargo to their document if they are looking to publish a portion of their document, as journals and publishers usually want to be the first to publish the work. It's important to remember that when your document is added to the repository, it's considered published. The document will be accessible online and will even appear in a Google search. Last is the document upload. Anytime you upload a draft of your thesis or dissertation, it has to be added as the primary manuscript file. This ensures that we're reviewing the correct version and that the correct version is sent to the library to be added to the repository. Vireo requires that the file is a PDF. Once you select the document from your computer, click the Upload button to actually save the file. You'll also upload your certificate of completion using the same process, but under the supplemental file option. For your other materials, they can be uploaded as any of the other file types. If you run into problems such as this, where it does not allow you to upload the file, try the next type. If it still gives you trouble, just contact the graduate school review team and we'll upload the document on your behalf. Make sure you are uploading every required document when you submit to the graduate school, not just your thesis and not just the certificate of completion. Otherwise, your submission will be considered incomplete. You're almost through with the upload process, but first it will give you a page to review all of the information you entered. If anything is entered incorrectly per Vireo, a red X will appear and you'll need to correct it before it allows you to submit. From there, Vireo will email your committee chair to review and approve your submission and embargo selection. You can double-check your submission by clicking View Submission Status. You might need to refresh your browser in order to see it, but once it's ready, you'll be able to select View and make sure all your documents uploaded successfully.